Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for central government quarters in Delhi. First, you need to understand the eligibility criteria for central government employees. This involves determining your specific type of accommodation based on your pay level and gathering all necessary documents, such as your identity proof and service certificate, before you even begin the application process. Proper preparation is key to a smooth experience. Once you are ready, the next step is the online application. You will need to register on the EOAS portal using your official government email ID. Carefully fill out the detailed application form, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Remember to upload scanned copies of all required documents, including your latest payslip and proof of service, to complete this crucial stage. After submitting your application, the allotment process begins. It operates on a point-based system, considering factors like your pay level and length of service. You should regularly monitor your application status and position on the waiting list through the portal. Be aware that typical waiting periods can range from a few months to several years, depending on the type of quarter and demand in specific areas. Upon successful allotment, you will receive an offer. It is crucial to accept the allotted quarter within the stipulated 10-day timeframe to avoid cancellation. Following acceptance, complete all necessary paperwork and obtain the possession letter from the concerned department. After moving in, remember to report any maintenance issues promptly to ensure a comfortable living environment in your new government accommodation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.